Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Open your phone's scanner or camera app and select Document or Scan mode so you don't waste time. Place the paper flat on a contrasting background and position a light source to remove shadows. This improves edge detection and OCR accuracy. Make sure the camera is steady. Use a small stack of books or your phone's stand. Tap to lock focus and exposure if available, then slowly bring the camera over the page until the app highlights edges, and capture the first page. Once you've captured the image, review it immediately and crop any extra background so text fills the frame. This helps OCR and reduces file size. Make sure to straighten skewed pages with the rotation or perspective tools, and select color, grayscale, or black and white depending on contrast needs. If you have multiple pages, continue scanning in order. Use auto capture or a consistent tap rhythm. Finally, enable OCR to extract editable text and correct any character. Finish by exporting the document as a PDF or image and give it a descriptive file name so you can find it later. Then save to your device and upload to cloud backup if required. Use the app's share button to send via email or message, and set access permissions when using shared drives. If a scan looks blurry or edges aren't found, clean the camera lens, add more light, lock focus, or close and reopen the app. These quick fixes resolve most capture problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.